Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to solve the Temu security verification issue step by step. To start, if you're using Temu on a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. Head over to your browser settings, look for the Privacy and Security section, and remove stored cache and cookies. Once that's done, completely close your browser, reopen it, and try signing in again. Another thing you can try is switching devices or platforms. If the Temu app keeps showing the verification puzzle, try logging in through a browser on your phone or computer instead. And if you're already using a browser and stuck in a loop, switch to the mobile app. This simple change often fixes the problem. Also, make sure you're not using a VPN. Security systems sometimes detect VPN connections as suspicious, which can trigger repeated verification checks. Turn off your VPN, refresh the page or app, and try again. If you're dealing with verification codes, avoid repeatedly tapping the resend button. Wait for the most recent code to arrive and enter it right away. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folder too, since verification emails can sometimes end up there. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to fix the verification loop and log into your account without any issues. Thanks for watching.